So we start with chapter 10, that is Heron's formula. Heron was a mathematician born in Alexandria, Egypt, and he was working in applied mathematics. And normally what happens when there is a triangle given, we use half base into height. But Heron said that we can also find the area of the triangle when its three sides are given. So Heron's formula is basically a formula by which we can find out the area of a triangle when its three sides are given. So the sides of a triangle are represented by A, B, and C, right? If you are having a triangle with sides A, B, and C, suppose this is a random triangle, okay? And we are assuming the length of the sides of this triangle as A, B, and C. Then we have to use this formula root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now, what is the meaning of S? S stands for semi-perimeter. S stands for semi-perimeter. Now, you know that perimeter means sum of the sides. So when I talk about perimeter, it is sum of the sides. I'll add all the three sides. Semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter. So half of the perimeter means you'll add all the three sides and divide by 2. So the formula for semi-perimeter will be A plus B plus C by 2. So this is how we calculate the semi-perimeter. Now this formula is also called the Hero's formula, although the common terminology that we use is Heron's formula. It is also referred to as the Hero's formula. So here, S, I told you how to calculate, add all the three sides and divide by 2. That is perimeter by 2. Then we are using this formula root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So using this, we are going to solve the questions. And you will be able to understand when we do the questions, how to use the formula when three sides are given. So if I look at the first question, a traffic signal school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of this using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180, what will be the area of the signal board? So there are two parts to the question. The first part is that there is a equilateral triangle of side A, right? There's an equilateral triangle of side A. So what we need to do is make a triangle, equilateral triangle. All the sides are A. It is not ABC. Normally we take ABC, but here it is all sides A. Question is, what is the area of the signal board? And we have to use Heron's formula. Okay, side is A. So first of all, semi-perimeter is add all the three sides and divide by 2. Here the three sides are given by A, so A plus A plus A by 2. So semi-perimeter will be 3A by 2. Now, as mentioned, the area by Heron when three sides are given is S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So this is going to be root of S. S value is 3A by 2. I'm going to put that. Then 3A by 2 minus A. Again 3A by 2 minus A. Again 3A by 2 minus A. All the three brackets are going to be same. The reason being that ABC, that is the three sides are A itself. Solving this, we'll get root of, this is 3A by 2 as it is. This bracket we'll have to take LCM. So there's nothing below A, so that will become A by 1. When I take the LCM, that is 2. So this is going to become 3A minus 1 goes 2 times, 2 into A is 2A, right? So I'm going to get 3A minus 2A when I take the LCM. And I'm going to repeat this in every bracket. It's going to come same. So this will be 3A minus 2A upon 2 everywhere. So this is going to be 3A by 2 as it is. And when I solve 3A minus 2A, I will get A. So this will be A by 2, A by 2, and A by 2. Every bracket will give me the same result. When I multiply all this, I'll get 3A to the power 4. And this is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So area is going to be root 3 because 3 is not a perfect root. So root 3. When you take the square root of A4, I am going to get A to the power 2. So A to the power 4 is A square into A square, right? So A square, and root 16 is here. Root 16 will be 4. So area of this equilateral triangle will be root 3A square by 4. So this is also a formula which you can remember, that area of an equilateral triangle can be found by using this formula root 3A square by 4. So in the second part, they have given perimeter is 180. If the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 180, then each side is going to be 180 by 3. That is 60. Because we know that all the three sides are equal, right? So each side is A. So 3A is 180, right? So A will be 180 by 3. So A we have got 60. And now I know that area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 A square by 4. So A value we have found out 60. So this is going to be 3600 root 3 by 4. Cancel this and we get the result as 900 root 3 centimeter square. So please remember there are two parts to the question. First part, we have got the answer as root 3 A square by 4. This will be the area of the triangle when the side is A, and we have found this by Heron's formula. And using this formula, what will be the area of the signal board? We are using the value of A as 60 because it's an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So 3A is 180, A will be 60, and you just put the value of A here, and you will get the result as 900 root 3. So this is our answer number 1. Now let's look at question number 2. This is question number 2. The diagram is given here. A triangular side walls of a flyover are used for advertisement. See, when you are traveling on the roads, you will find these big hoardings. They have to pay money for it. And the dimensions of the triangle is given as 122 meters, 120 meter, and 22 meters. Question is, how much money you have to pay for 3 months? This is the cost for 1 year, 5,000 rupees. You have to pay per meter square per year. The question is, how much do you have to pay for 3 months? So first I need to find out the area of this. So for finding area, as I mentioned, first we'll find the semi-perimeter, add all the three sides and divide by 2. So semi-perimeter is going to be 264 by 2. Semi-perimeter will come 132. Now I'm going to use the formula. Area is root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So area is going to be 132 was the value of S that we found out. Then 132 minus the first side. Now remember the sides order doesn't matter. You can take any. So I'm taking 122 as the first side. Then S minus B, 120 as the second side. And 22 as the third side. So we got S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So area is going to be 132. This is going to be 110. This is going to be 12. And this is going to be 110. Now don't multiply all this. What we need to do is find factors. So when I factorize this, I can write this as 12 into 11, right? 132 is 12, 11. 110 is 11 into 10. 12 I'll write as it is, and 110 I'll write 11 into 10. Now what I'll do is I'll start making groups. We know that when we are having square roots, we can make groups. So we can form these groups like this. Okay, this should be 132 minus 122, 10. Okay, so this will be 10. So 132 can be written as 12 into 11. This 10 will write as 12 itself. 12 itself, 110, 11 into 10. Now I will form groups. So what I realize is there is a group of 12. So 112 is coming out. There's a group of 11 and there's a group of 10. So area is going to be 132 into 10. So area we have found out as 1,320 meters square. This is going to be the area of this board. Now we'll find out the costing. Now the cost is 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. So cost for 1 year, will be 1,320 multiplied by 5,000. Now we have to find the cost for 1 month. So cost for 1 month will be whatever we have got for the whole year. So this is 1,320 into 5,000. And we know that 1 year has 12 months. So we're going to divide this by 12. We'll get the cost for 1 month. So question is not for 1 month. It is of 3 months. So cost for 3 months, therefore, 3 months will be 1320 into 5000, which was for the full year, divided by 12, that's for 1 month, multiplied by 3, because we want for 3 months. So I'll cancel this. When I multiply this, I'm going to get 66 lakhs divided by 4. So this is rupees 16,50,000. So for 3 months, I need to pay 16,50,000. This is the cost for 1 month. The total cost for 1 year is this. Divide by 12, you get for 1 month. Multiplied by 3, you get for 3 months. So what we have done, we have taken out the total cost of the year divided by 12 to get for 1 month, then multiplied by 3. When we do the calculation, we are going to get 16,50,000. So that's the money that you have to pay for hiring the walls for 3 months. Okay, I hope that's clear. So question 1 and 2 are important questions. Then we move on to question number 3. Question number 3 is, the diagram is given there. There is a slide in a park. If the sides are 15, 11, and 6, what will be the area of this? So 15, 11, and 6 are the dimensions. So semi-perimeter A plus B plus C by 2. So dimensions are 15, 11, and 6. So when I add this, I'm going to get 32. Right? 32 by 2, I'm getting semi-perimeter as 16. So area will be root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Right? So S value we have calculated as 16. So 16 minus A. A is the first side, 15. 16 minus 11 and 16 minus 6. These are the 3 sides. So area will be 16 into 1 into 16 minus 11, we get 5 into 10. Now 16 can be written as 4 into 4 so that it becomes a group. 1, there is no requirement. 5 as it is, 10 can be written as 5 into 2. So we get a group here, 4 and 5 is coming out. Inside we are left with 2. So we get the answer as 20 root 2 meter square. So this will be the area. So that was question number 3. Now we go to question number 4. Find the area of a triangle. 2 sides are 18 and 10 and the perimeter is 42. So question number 4, we are having a case where 2 sides are 18 and 10. Let's assume this is 18 and 10. Third side we don't know. Let's assume X. The perimeter is given 42 centimeter. So first of all, we need to find out the third side. So we know that perimeter is sum of all the 3 sides. The total is coming 42. So 28 plus X is 42. X is equal to 42 minus 28. So X is equal to 14. The value of X is 14. That means this is the third side. That means our triangle is having sides 18, 10, and 14. When you add this up, you should get 42. So now we know ABC, the 3 sides we know. So we have found out the third side. Now we know that semi-perimeter is, add all the 3 sides, is already given 42. Okay, so 42 by 2, we are going to get the semi-perimeter as 21. So semi-perimeter is 21. Now I'm going to use the Heron's formula, root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So area is going to be 21. 21 minus first side 18, 21 minus 14 the second side, and 21 minus 10 the third side. So when I solve this, I'm going to get 21 into 21 minus 18, we get 3. 21 minus 14, we get 7. 21 minus 10, we get 11. Now, as I told you, don't multiply all this. What we need to do is find out the factors. So 21 we'll write as 7 into 3, 3 as it is, 7 as it is, 11 as it is. So we get a group of 3 and 7, which comes out. Inside we get 11. So answer to this question will be 21 root 11 centimeter square. 21 root 11 centimeter square. This will be the answer to question number 4. Question number 5 now. So the Question number 5 says, the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12, 17, and 25. So let the first side be 12x. It's not 12, it's a ratio. So 12x. Second side, let us assume 17x. Third side, let us assume 25x. And perimeter is 540. Perimeter means sum of the three sides. So what will be our equation? 12x plus 17x plus 25x is 540. 54x is 540. So x value we will get 540 by 54, that is 10. Okay, that is the first step. Now, once we get 10, then we can find out the actual value of the side. So the first side was 12x. So this is going to be 12 into 10, 120. This is 17x. This will become 17 into 10, 170. And 250 will be the third side, 25 into 10. So semi-perimeter is going to be 120 plus 170 plus 250 by 2. As it is, the perimeter is 540. So that's given. So you can do directly 540 by 2 also. You're going to get the semi-perimeter as 270. Now we will use Heron's formula S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So area will be root of 270 into 270 minus A, that's 250. 270 minus B, that is 120. 270 minus 170, that's S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. We've got 250 first side, 120 second side, and 170 as the third side. As I said, the order doesn't matter. So here I'm going to write this as 270. This will be 20. This is going to be 150, and this is 100. Now I'm going to find the factors. This is 27 into 10. 20 can be written as 10 into 2. This can be written as 15 into 10, and 100 can be written as 10 into 10. Now we'll make groups. So 2 10s I can see is coming out. So 10 into 10 is out. Inside we are left with 27. We are left with 2. We are left with 15. And we are also left with the 10. So the 2 10s I have brought out, that will become 100. And inside 27, I can split into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 as it is. 15 I can write as 3 into 5. And 10 I can write as 2 into 5. Now I find there's a group of 3 here, there's a group of 3 here, there's a group of 2, and there's a group of 5. So 100 into, there are 2 groups of 3s. So I'll bring 2 3s out. There is 1 5 and 1 2. So what will happen? 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. 45 into 2 is 90. So 100 into 90. So my answer, I will get 9,000 centimeter square. So 9,000 centimeter square will be the answer to question number 5. The area of this triangle will be 9,000 centimeter square. Now we'll go to question number 6, the last question. The isosceles triangle has a perimeter of 30. Each equal side is 12. So let us assume the equal sides AB and AC is 12. The third side we are assuming X. So 12 plus 12 plus X is 30. The perimeter is 30. The third side is unknown. So 24 plus X is 30. X will be 30 minus 24. X will be 6. So this is the first thing that we do. We will find out the third side. So third side is coming 6. Now, once we get the third side, we can use semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2. Perimeter was 30. So we should get 12 plus 12 plus 6 by 2. That is 24 plus 6, 30 by 2, right? So semi-perimeter will be 15. As I told you, perimeter is already given here. Sorry, here 30. So 30 by 2, we will get 15. Now we will use Heron's formula S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So area will be S, we have found out 15. 15 minus the first side, 12. Second side also 12. And the third side we had found out as, third side as 6. So area will be 15 into 3 into 3 into 15 minus 6. That is going to be 9. So 3 is already out. We can bring the 3 out. 15 is 5 into 3 and 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So here we get a group of 3 again. So this 3 is going to come out. Already there was a 3 out. Now we've got one more 3. So 3 into 3 is out and inside we are having 5 into 3. So answer 6 will be 9 root 15 centimeter square. So this will be answer number 6. Area of this isosceles triangle will be 9 root 15.